ain't nothing but shit to do. So if you ain't rockin' with the dude, stay away from me. I'm making moves and I can't be nice. They'll try to use me, shit gay to me. Ain't cut my phone off, but if it ain't money, ain't shit to say to me. I'm still a hot nigga from the block, nigga that'll pop a nigga if he play with me. But that's some chill type shit lately. But I'm about to kill that chill switch, boy, never underestimate me. I get on tracks and I kill shit. I swear to God, it ain't that nigga that's fucking with me on some real shit. And if you try me, then it's time B to take my heat on a field trip. My boy Rat said he a legend, haven't had nothing. Let a buzz here, that boy S-Dog gon' let it pop. And Mitch gon' make it ugly. Slick full of two, then real D gon' pop out and let it blow now. When PC be my right hand, he gon' fuck your hoe and kick the hole out. About cold nights with no heat or dark nights with the lights off. I know hips, get your head beat. The streets outlined with that white chalk. I got their head right, cause they show mouthing like a green light and a red light. They wanna stop me, but don't know how to go about it. They say they from the gutter, they know about it.
What they know about it?
I tell the truth, they go around it. It's crazy, babe. Bitch, me, I doubt it. Ain't no pain in my eyes. That's all I'm seeing now.
What you see?
It's ratchet hoes, broke boys, fuck niggas, make believe. Ratchet hoes, broke boys, fuck niggas, make believe. Ratchet hoes, broke boys, fuck niggas, make believe. And I swear I ain't worried how you take a beat. I'ma do what I want, and it ain't no way around. And if I said it, then I meant it. So you can't say shit about it. You started, then I finished. Everything good when I look up, they shook up. If you praying for my downfall, then good luck. I grew up with cousins, my sisters and brothers, some gangsters, some thieves, some hustlers, some sitting off. Ain't shit you can tell me, I can't figure out that I don't know already. I'm ready for lift off. And just like I say, if you hating at all, then after you hear this, then you gon' be pissed off. No bumping my gums. If you fuck with this one, then I'm busting my gun and I'm knocking your shit off. And I ain't been the same since Stowe got locked up. J Pillar and minutes went crazy, I'm quiet. My figures is itchy, I'm feeling like 50. I'm really about to get rich. That trying. They looking right past me because they can't stand me. If you feel that way, then picture me crying and thinking I'm playing. I hear what they saying. They from the land, but really they say they from the gutter. But they know about it.
What they know about it?
I tell the truth. They go around it. Shit is crazy, big. Bitch, me, I doubt it. Ain't no pain in my eyes, cause all I'm seeing now is it's ratchet hoes, broke boys, fuck niggas, make believe. Ratchet hoes, broke boys, fuck niggas, make believe. Ratchet hoes, broke boys, fuck niggas, make believe. And I swear I ain't worried how you take it, B.